Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Grove. Today we're looking for some monster trucks. I don't know if I'll be able to find any, but we sure have a pile of them that look pretty, that we can look at. Check this one out, it's Battitude. It's a bat monster truck with a huge engine back there. And what about this one? It's Jurassic Attack. It's a Triceratops monster truck. It's one of my favorites. Pretty cool. Whoa, who's this? It's Alien Invasion. So neat. I like this one a lot. Look at this, it's El Toro Loco. So cool, I like this one too. Whoa, who's that right there? It's horsepower. It's got fire tires on it. It's another El Toro Loco. This one's orange instead of black. It's pretty neat. Whoa, it's Soldier Fortune Black Ops. So cool. And look at this, it's Son of a Tigger. They have the cool blue flames on the hood. And look, it's a Stegosaurus monster truck. Look at the spiky tail. It's Motosaurus. And Full Charge, this one's one of my favorites too. It's an electric monster truck, but it's still super fast and jumps really high. And then we've got Skeleton Crew. So cool. Look at that. It's got two swords on the top and a skeleton. And who's that over there? Speaking of skeletons, it's Skeletor. He's got a skeleton face mask and a huge engine. It's a blue one. It's a big engine. So cool. We got Gangster over here too. You got gunk. Just kidding. Whoa, who's that? It's Octonator. It's an octopus monster truck. And we got Baby Gravedigger. So silly. And Race Ace, check that out, it's Race Ace. And Lumberjack, that's another cool monster truck. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Battitude, Skeletor, El Toro Loco, Soldier Fortune Black Ops, Son of a Digger, Race Ace, Gangster, Octonator, Baby Gravedigger, Lumberjack, Skeleton Crew, Full Charge, Motosaurus, Horsepower, El Toro Loco, an Alien Invasion, and last but not least, Jurassic Attack. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 monster trucks. Which one was your favorite? I think my favorite today is Jurassic Attack, because it's a really cool purple Triceratops. The dinosaurs are pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.